Peace, you guys. This is Nicole of Pureessence215, and today I'm going to show you what's in my Vegan Cuts monthly subscription box. This is my first box I ever received from Vegan Cuts. I'm really excited to try the products inside. Take a look and see what's inside my December Vegan Cuts. Yeah, I know it's January, but I'm just getting a chance to open it. I put it to the side. Holiday came around. I just didn't get to it. So my daughter did open it. See, it's already been cut through. My daughter opened it, so I'm going to show you what's inside, and I'm going to let them tear through it. I'll make a video and let you know how my daughters like it, how I felt about the December Vegan Cuts. So let's go inside and see. The first thing in my Vegan Cuts box is by I Heart Quinoa Chocolate Puffs. Dark chocolate Himalayan pink salt. Chocolate covered quinoa puffs. 3 grams of protein, 150 calories. Usually with Vegan Cuts, you know that everything in the box is vegan. So this sounds really good. Quinoa chocolate puffs, the mindful munchies. Can't wait to try that. Second thing in the box, peeled snacks, peas, please. Garden herb, real simple ingredients, as you can see. So vegan. I'm liking this already. Okay, try that. Let's see, Veggie Elite Performance Protein. No artificial flavors or sweeteners. 24 grams of complete protein. Cinnamon bun. All natural, guys. Let's see. Pea protein. Good. I like pea protein. You can either use it in water, beverage, or put it in a smoothie. I think I'm gonna make a banana. I think I might try like a banana cinnamon bun smoothie. Try this one. Next, Raw Rev Glow Chocolate Chip Cookie Dough. Chocolate chip cookie dough. See if I like this. Raw Rev Glow Chocolate Chip Cookie Dough. 10 grams of protein. That's a lot of protein. So that's really good for when you go to the gym. Organic Living Life Nuts. Sprouted salt and vinegar almonds. Salt and vinegar almonds. Yum, yum. Yummy. I'm really liking Vegan Cuts. I'm really liking this so far. I'll put a link below where you can order a Vegan Cuts monthly subscription if you want to try it out. And this is California maple bacon flavored almonds. That's interesting. Maple bacon flavored almonds. It's so much easier. Okay. Cosmos Creation Sea Salt and Butter Premium Puff Corn. Vegan premium puff corn. Yummy. This is awesome. I'm really loving Vegan Cuts so far. Organic chickpea puffs. Hippies. Hippies. That's cool. Vegan white cheddar. Ooh, I haven't had white cheddar flavor in a while. Chickpea puffs. Let's see what's in it. Organic chickpea flour. This is interesting. That's really interesting. And I know it's the new year and we all looking for healthy alternatives and we want to snack. I mean, everybody wants to snack. Nothing wrong with having snacks. But to have all of these vegan, gluten-free, natural snacks is awesome. So I think you should really try this out, you guys. This is awesome. I'm just loving this. I'm loving this. If you're out there and you received vegan cuts. Let me know how you feel about vegan cuts, because I'm loving it. And try it out if you haven't tried it. You don't even have to be a vegan, just looking for healthy alternatives to snacking. And the PB2 powdered peanut butter, I purchase this all the time. It's good to have a small one because I can put it in my pocketbook or my car. Really good. Love PB2 powdered peanut butter. Love. Now this here, this is what my daughter was like, I want to try it, I want to try it, I want to try it. And it's by company, 27-time absorption turmeric extract. Wow, so this has turmeric in it. Area, poor cumin, radiant 5-calorie, curcumin infused sparkling berry drink. The thing I love about having these monthly subscriptions, you get to try new things. You get to try things that you wouldn't normally see in a store. It's really cool. It's really a good idea. Whoever came up with these monthly subscription boxes, they win it. So the next, is so much. The next one, chickpeas, baked crunchy chickpeas, falafel, authentic Middle Eastern spices. I love chickpeas. I love chickpeas. And then garlic powder, so it smells really good. Okay, I seen this Bounce product at, where was I at? I think I was in Trader Joe's or Whole Foods, but I saw this Bounce Super Berry Energy Bar. I just seen this the other day. Yep. So that's good. And what is this? Yogi well-being begins on the inside. Kindness is the essence of life. Yes, it is. Okay. They put in two samples of their yogi tea. Toastside, spice berry, immune support, bedtime soothing, and spicy sweet. Gift of delicious well-being. The same things that make yogi teas delicious make them work. Toasty, spice berry, immune support, and bedtime. Okay, and this is just a card, and it tells you what's included in it and get different information. Oh, their Instagram and their Twitter if you wanted to order or go on their sites or hashtag their products when you use it. So that's really cool to get that, and then you can go on their site and see what else that they have. So this is the December Vegan Cuts box. My January one probably should be coming soon, so I'll post another video once I get my January box. But again, I'm loving Vegan Cuts. If you ever tried vegan cuts, let me know if you liked it. Everything out on the floor. And this is awesome. I'm loving this. These are more products than I expected to come in the vegan cuts, especially with the great price. Oh, it's two. Wait a minute. It's two Bounce bars. I thought it was only one in here. I didn't even see it. Thanks for watching my first unboxing of my December Vegan Cuts monthly subscription box. I'm really satisfied with everything that was in December box. I can't wait to receive January box to show you guys. And I'll put a link below where you can order it. Let me know how you feel about Vegan Cuts. So far, I'm loving it. I think I want to try their beauty monthly subscription box because Vegan Cuts also have beauty makeup, beauty supply, natural beauty, and vegan, cruelty-free beauty products monthly boxes. So I think I'm gonna try that next month as well. I'm definitely keeping this subscription. It's the new year, y'all. Here you go. Natural healthy snacks right at your door. Try something new each month. And now we can finally cut through it so I can call my daughters upstairs and tell them they could try, pick out whatever they want, and they can go their own little way. But I already know what I want. I'm keeping this. So thanks for watching, you guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you try out vegan cuts. I mean, it's a change, it's something different, and you can try different things every month, like I said. So thanks for watching, you guys. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. I would love for you to subscribe. Comment below. Also, share my videos. Peace, you guys. Make sure you check out my last video I recorded. It's 2017. Work at your goals.